Supply 88. Today we have for you another attachment. This is a Bobcat 60-inch sweeper attachment. This attachment's been to our place. We put a brand new bristle on it, brand new cutting edge, new couplers, flat face couplers. We painted it. We put all new factory Bobcat decals on it. There's a couple little dings here in the front. Doesn't affect anything. We're just pointing it out. We like to be 100% honest here at Mark Supply 88. Purpose of the video, we're going to give you a quick 360-degree view. We have it up to the skid steer. We're going to sweep with it for you and show you it does work. Right over here, you'll see it's standard 2-pin skid steer quick attachment, any modern skid loader right there today. Serial plates right over here. Hoses, flat face couplers, everything there is in excellent shape, ready to go to work. We put a brand new Bobcat brand bolt-on cutting edge on. Whenever we roll it up, we'll show you that. We put brand new bristles on, all poly bristles. Bearings and chains all good shape. Drive motor's good. We put the brand new Bobcat factory gutter broom rubbers around it. This time I'm going to go ahead and hop the skid steer. We'll sweep with it for you, and I'll show you the bottom of the bucket first. Well, we hope you can see from the video this broom does exactly what we say it does. It is ready to sweep. If you have any questions on our Bobcat skid steer loader sweeper broom, please give us a call at 814-658-3066. We'll be glad to get you a shipping quote. Anything you might need, we'll be glad to help you in any way that we can. 814-658-3066. Thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply 88. Happy event.